Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Well, it's nice having you both here. I guess one of the first questions on my mind is, why is SNC-Lavalin acquiring Atkins?
Well, SNC-Lavalin have a 5-year goal to become one of the top 3 E&C companies in the world. And basically this transformational acquisition coming together of the two organisations will position us clearly in the top tier E&C companies in the world. And ultimately, I think when we were looking for companies, the two most important things to us was that we had shared values. And when we look at Atkins values and the SNC-Lavalin values, they are very, very close, very similar. We maybe express them slightly differently, but they're very, very clear in terms of HSE ethics and our whole value set.
And I think the same thing. We feel we bring some world-class skills to the business. We're quite complementary in terms of geography skill set. So the opportunity to put that in front of some clients, engage with different teams, and look, it's a great career opportunity for our staff, I think.
And the second thing is quality. So when we were looking at how to grow the company and expand, we were really keen to look for a quality company in terms of consulting, project management, engineering, and Atkins absolutely fits the bill.
Tell us about the clients. So how will the clients benefit from broader geographical coverage, some of the things you've mentioned before? What's in it for the client?
I think what's important is that although we have a capability and we've got a model where we operate from the very start in terms of concept through to long-term operations and maintenance of clients' facilities, we have that model and we have that capability. But I think we're very clear as well that the client can pick and choose what they want. So we're not looking to sell start to finish in every case. There are some cases where it's applicable. Then there's other cases where the client wants a specific service. And I think for Atkins as is, I think having that start to finish capability will add to a client who maybe in the past has done had some consulting work or some engineering work, but actually wants a little bit more, then this will be available, should the customer want it.
I think from our perspective, we talk a lot about differentiation. This is a competitive marketplace by geography, by sector. There's nowhere where you operate independent of the competition. And having something different, having a different conversation with our clients about things that we can bring to bear that we wouldn't have been able to do before, enhancing the conversations that the S&C team have with their clients. So just bringing that slightly different conversation to the client, that when you leave, they look at one another and say, hey, these guys have got something different to everybody else that's come in. And to Neil's point, that's not always going to be the sell. It's not, we're always looking to sell the entire shop, but having that opportunity to just bring a slightly different conversation. I think some of our teams are super excited about how they can bring different offerings to the clients.
So it's a real opportunity to do this and deliver this, and I think we're right on the cusp of being in that position.